How to fix HDMI no sound in Windows 11 when connected to TV. No HDMI audio device detected is what I'm going to show you in this video. So what you want to do is start off by clicking the Windows button and search for Services. Now right click this, Best Match Services app, and run as administrator. Now this will open up your local services, and you now have to go and scroll down until you see Windows Audio. As you can see, Windows Audio. Now what you want to do is click this restart button and wait until the restart has finished service and the service has been restarted. You want to now run an audio file or just play the video or Netflix series on your TV to see if this helped the audio. If not, you can go back, close that up. Now enter your Windows key again and search for Device Manager. Now simply left click that, wait till that loads. And what you want to do now is go and click on the pointing right arrow next to audio inputs and outputs. And now you can see all your inputs and outputs. What you can do is go over to your, let's say, my monitor. Now right click, update driver. Now search automatically for drivers, and the best drivers has for your device has already installed. That's a good sign for me. If that's not the case, you want to install the newest driver for your HDMI sound connection. That should resolve the issue to fixing your HDMI no sound in Windows 11 when connected to TV. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.